Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we are going to answer the next 10 questions from Magnetism and Compass chapter, RK Bali Navigation Book. Let's start. Question 41. Which of the following statements concerning Earth magnetism is completely correct? An isogonal is a line which joins places of equal depth, so that's wrong. So isogonal is a line which connects places of equal variation. The aclinic line is the line of zero magnetic depth, yes, but the first part of the sentence is wrong, so option A will be wrong. An isogonal is a line which connects places with the same magnetic variation, yes. Aclinic connects places with the same magnetic field strength, no. Next, isogonal is a line which connects places with the same magnetic variation, yes. Aclinic is the line of zero magnetic depth, yes. So statement C is the right one. Question 42. Aircraft is accelerating in the north hemisphere heading west. Will a direct reading compass overread or underread, and whether will it indicate a turn towards the north or south? So you are in the northern hemisphere and you are heading west. Okay, so let's say this is this part of the earth. This is your northern hemisphere. This is your north pole. This is your south pole. West, east. So your aircraft is heading west. So that means it is flying a westerly direction. Okay, flying a westerly direction. So there are two possibilities. First possibility, when it accelerates. Now when this aircraft accelerates, and second possibility, decelerates. When this aircraft accelerates, what happens? So whenever you are accelerating on a westerly heading and you are in the north hemisphere, aircraft magnet compass will show an apparent turn, means for some temporary time, a false turn, a wrong turn, an apparent turn towards the nearest pole. So now you are in the north hemisphere, so it will show a turn towards the north pole. If you are flying a westerly direction in the north hemisphere and you decelerate your aircraft, you slow down the true airspeed of your aircraft, what will happen? The magnetic compass will an apparent turn, show an apparent turn towards the opposite pole. Now you are in the south hemisphere, so it will show a turn towards the south pole. It will show a turn towards the south pole. Okay. So this is what happens. So first things first, you are accelerating north hemisphere westerly heading. So direct reading magnetic compass, instead of showing a correct direction of 270, it will show a direction of any direction which is more than 270, 300, 320, 330. Okay, so all the directions that lead up to the north pole, that is 360-degree direction. That's why the correct answer will be, it will overread any reading more than 270 and it will show a turn towards the north. So correct answer is option A. 43. A direct reading compass should be swung when? Now compass swinging is done in order to reduce the difference between magnetic variation and compass correction, magnetic direction and compass direction, right? So the difference between magnetic direction and compass direction is deviation, right? It is deviation. So deviation, the one method to decrease or reduce the deviation value is called compass swinging. So compass swinging is done when aircraft has made more than a stated number of landings. There is a large permanent change in magnetic latitude. The aircraft is stored for a long period and is frequently moved. So correct answer is option Bravo. When there is a large permanent change in the position of your aircraft. Okay, it has changed its position with respect to one latitude. Okay. So originally it was at, or initially it was at 10-degree north latitude, let's say. And now you have repositioned that aircraft to some other latitude, 60-degree north latitude, 70-degree north latitude. So you perform this swinging. Question 44. The Earth can be considered as being a magnet with the red pole near the north pole of the Earth and the direction of the magnetic force pointing straight down to the Earth's surface. Blue pole near the north pole of the Earth and the direction of the magnetic force pointing straight up to the Earth's surface. Blue pole near the north pole of the Earth and the direction of the magnetic force pointing straight down to the Earth's surface. So correct answer is option Charlie. Blue pole will be near the north pole. Red pole will be near the south pole. So it's a fact, you have to remember this. 45. Deviation applied to magnetic heading gives what? So magnetic direction and deviation will give rise to compass direction. Will give rise to compass direction. So correct answer is magnetic heading plus or minus deviation will give you compass heading. Magnetic heading plus or minus drift will give you magnetic track or magnetic course. Okay. Question 46. Which of the following is an occasion for carrying out a compass swing on a direct reading compass? So there are these different occasions on which you carry out compass swing. So on acceptance of a new aircraft from manufacturer, where a new compass is fitted every 3 months after major inspection, with any change of magnetic material in the aircraft, if transferred to another base involving a large number of change in latitude, after a lightning strike or after flying in static, after standing on one heading for more than 4 weeks, when carrying magnetic freight, whenever specified in the manufacturer schedule. Okay. So correct answer here will be before an aircraft goes on any flight that involves a large change of magnetic latitude. So before, over here it's written after, if transferred to another base involving a large change of latitude. So after uh, moving or after getting repositioned to a new latitude, then after that you perform. Here it's written before. After any of the aircraft radio equipment has been changed due to unserviceability, after aircraft has passed through a severe electrical storm or has been struck by lightning. So suitable option will be option Charlie. After something. Okay. Next. Which of the following statements is correct concerning the effect of turning errors on a direct reading compass? So turning errors, we have two types of errors, turning errors on north and south headings, and they happen at very high latitudes. Okay. Turning errors are most prominent at high latitudes. Then we have acceleration deceleration errors, which happen on easterly and westerly headings. So here we are talking about turning errors. So turning errors are greatest on east and west headings? No, they are greatest at north and south headings. Turning errors are greatest on north and south headings and are greatest at high latitudes. Yes. Turning errors are greatest on north and south headings and are least at high latitudes. Wrong. So Charlie will be wrong. 48. Complete the following statement regarding magnetic variation. The charted values of variation on Earth normally change annually due to what? So, so they say the value of magnetic variation keeps on changing. Why is that? Magnetic pole movement causing numerical values at all locations to increase or decrease? Yes. Magnetic pole movement causing numerical values to increase, only increase? Wrong. And increasing field strength causing numerical values to increase? Wrong. So we all know that magnetic poles revolve, keep rotating or keep moving. Okay. And this shift in magnetic poles cause change in variation time and again. And this variation can either increase or decrease. Okay. Sometimes it can increase or Other times it can decrease. The north and south magnetic poles are the only positions on the Earth's surface where. So they are talking about north and south magnetic poles. The value of magnetic variation equals to 90 degree. Wrong. A freely suspended magnetic needle will stand vertical. A freely suspended magnetic needle will stand horizontal. So this is a basic question. A freely suspended magnetic needle will stand vertical, meaning it will point north and south, right? So the north pole of the magnet will point towards or will get attracted towards the south magnetic pole, and the south pole of the magnet will get attracted towards the north magnetic pole on the earth. So that's why we say a freely suspended magnetic needle will always seek north and south direction. 50. Which of the following statements concerning the Earth's magnetic field is completely correct? So Earth's magnetic field, right? Dip, dip is the angle between total magnetic field and vertical field component. Magnetic north rotates around true north slowly. Earth's red pole is situated in North Canada. So wrong. Earth's blue pole is situated in the North Canada. Dip is the angle between vertical and horizontal field components. Magnetic north rotates around true north so slowly. That's right. Magnetic north pole will move around the true north pole or geographical north pole very slowly. So statement Bravo is the right one. So these were the 10 simple theoretical questions. I hope you have understood all the answers that I gave and the explanations I provided. If you need any more clarity or any further clarity, let me know in the comment box. I thank you for your time and I request you all to subscribe to this channel, share this video lecture with your friends, and hit the like button if you have liked this video lecture. Thank you.